What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to remove the door handles on a 2024 BMW 530i. It's got these flat handles that pull out on the handle. There's a little hole. Camera focus in. I don't know if you can see it on that side, maybe this side. That little hole right there. Take you a pick, stick into that hole pretty hard, and pull out on the handle, and it'll pop loose. Same for the other side. I'm gonna set this up right over here so you can see. Like that. Kind of tricky to do, but that's all there is to it.